Mother's Day to everyone. To all the mothers out there. Especially my mom, my sister, my mother-in-law, my FC, and who else?
Tiffany.
Oh, Tiffany's not a mother. Tiffany's mom.
Yeah.
Tita Remy.
Hey, Tiffany is a mom.
Tita Alma Bondog.
Tiffany is a mom.
Tita Nessie.
Huh? Ma.
Tita Jovi.
Ma. Ma, Harley has
Tita
a
Donna.
Harley has a mom. It is Tiffany.
And who else? Tita Malu. Tita Jo. Ate Badet. Sino pa? Ate Alicia. Ate Gloria. Sino pang mother sa work namin? Si Ate Rose. Si Ate Nina. Si Maria. Si Mary. Who else? Who else, guys?
Me.
Tita Nancy.
Zayden's a mom.
Who else?
Zayden has a mom. Her name is Zoe.
Tita Peg. Mari Pebi. Tita
Stop. Choking.
Edna. Tita Eva. Auntie Susan. Naganasawa ni Kwan. Janjana. Pa? Jen. Who else? Tita Peng. Auntie. Tita Baby. Libunaw. Sino pa ba? Auntie. Nagandang na tayo. Ay, parang nasa unang
Tayo mag-exit.
Diretso lang.